Let's bow down to Sri Mataji's Sri Lotus feet, raise a Kundalini and put a bandhan on. Open both hands in front of Mother with all the pure faith in our heart. Put your hand on left heart. Say, Shri Mataji, please come in my heart. Please make my heart pure and please be here in my heart. Shri Mataji, please feel pure love in my heart. Shri Mataji, please come in my attention. Enlighten my attention. Shri Mataji, please come in my thoughts. Please enlighten my spirit. Mataji, please take me to thoughtless awareness. Please take me to doubtless awareness and connect me to all pervading power. Mataji, please make us complete oneness of devotion. Give us Ananya Bhakti. Mataji, you are there and you are within us. Shri Mataji, we surrender ourselves at your lotus feet. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. Slowly put our attention on Muladhara Chakra. Attention on Muladhara. Left hand towards Mother and right hand on the ground. Put attention on left Muladhara. Say Nirmal Ganesha Mantra. Om Tame Sakshat Shri Nirmal Ganesha साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। Mother, by your grace I am innocent. Now both hands on the lap. Put attention on Santu Muladhara. Take Shri Ganesha Gauri mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Ganesha Gauri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, please make me innocent. Put right hand towards mother and left hand on the ground. Put attention on right Muladhara. We take Shri Kartikeya mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Kartikeya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shrimataji, please make me worthy of your attention. Please make me worthy of your love. Shrimataji, please make me worthy of you. Take Rakshasa Hantri mantra and meditate again on right Muladhara. Om Tvame Sakshat Rakshasa Hantri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, you are the destroyer of all the evil in me. Please destroy 6 enemies within me. Please remove all the negativity from me. Now, with the permission of Shri Ganesha, request Mother Kundalini Mother Kundalini, please rise, rise, rise within me. Mother Kundalini, please cleanse, balance our subtle system to take us into the abode of Shri Mataji at the Sahasrara. My attention is on top of my head. We can take our attention to Sahasrara. We stay in meditative state and we listen to 8 minutes music and mantras. Silent meditation for 2 minutes. Slowly take attention to Swadhisthana chakra. We listen to Shri Mataji's talk here.
Now, as the Kundalini rises, she enlightens your second center, which we can call as the Swadhisthana chakra for the time being, though it is the third center, but first, second center. You become extremely creative. Extremely creative. I know of a gentleman who came to me, he had no job. And he said, "Mother, I have no job, and what should I do?" I said, "All right, what do you want to do?" He said, "Whatever you say." I said, "All right. Why don't you become an interior decorator?" He said, "Me, I don't know what is a teak wood, I don't know what is a rosewood, how am I to become an interior decorator?" I said, "You just use your vibrations. And you'll be surprised you earn millions of rupees out of that profession. Because you become extremely creative. Your sense of creation becomes so subtle and so beautiful that you start understanding art at such a high level that people don't know how, when you are not educated in art, how you can do it. I went to Japan once and they were having an Ikebana competition or something. So I went to see the Ikebana class. They requested me, "Why don't you do some flower arrangement?" I said, "All right, I'll do it." I did it. And I got the highest marks without knowing a word about Ikebana. Just surprising. I got the highest marks. I can do lots of things which I have never done before, like architecture. I have built houses without doing any architecture. I have done decorations of the houses. I have done all kinds of things without knowing how to do. Because you become so creative. So the creativity That also is a blessing of your power, of the goddess of learning. Boys who could not study in the schools were absolutely duffers. Some people brought there is a boy, recently I received a letter from him. When he came to me, his father said that he is going to be taken out of school because he's good for nothing, he cannot remember anything, he's absolutely finished. I said, all right, doesn't matter, let him take to surgery. He got his realization. Not only that he passed with first class, but he got a scholarship. Then he passed another exam, he got a scholarship. Now he's got a very big job. At a very young age, he wrote to me, Mother, no one can believe that a duffer like me has been so much highly placed. All the boys who got scholarships in Maharashtra, in schools, in colleges and university are Sahaj Yogis. It is such a tremendous force that starts working in. If you try to give vibrations, say, to fruits or to trees or to, say, wheat and such things which are very important for life, any food, you'll be amazed that the food also grows so much more and the taste is so good and it lasts you so longer. Like one gentleman tried, a university professor in agricultural college, on some wheat, some vibrations. And he was amazed that when they collected this wheat was at least 6 times more than normal. And when this wheat was stored in a big hall like this, there were so many other things. The rats, who are always a menace in India, never touched that wheat. They ate all the rest of it but never touched the wheat. Even the animals, the snakes, even the tigers, of course the dogs and the cats understand it much more. They understand you. They know that you are a saint. They'll never touch you. They'll never trouble you. Even a tiger sees a saint, he never attacks. You can handle a tiger very easily. This is the power of a saint. So you develop a tremendous capacity of creativity. The greatest capacity you have then is of creating a new human being out of an ordinary human being. This is the greatest blessing you have, that you transform an egg into a bird. And that is the epitome, that is the spiritual power you have by which you can transform the whole human race into a new race which has this 5th dimension within yourself. You can start talking on science. Now we have a scientist here and he's done his science, he's a doctor of science and this and that in chemistry. And I explained to him about this, where is the hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and all that within us, and he was amazed. He said, Mother, how do you know all these things? I said, I don't know how I know, but I know. That's what it is. You just have a look at these. And he was amazed how I was telling him about spiral movement and linear movement of peptones. He said that for this I had to study so much. I said, for Sahaj Yoga you don't have to study. A little bit you know and immediately you click the point. Now, this is the second thing that you know in your learnings, in your education, you are all right. But the mastery of the center comes. The mastery of the center comes when you know the pure knowledge of handling the Kundalini, the pure knowledge of spirit, the pure knowledge of the blessings of God, of Rutambhara Pragya. If you know that, that is the highest that you achieve gradually as you grow. Because when the center starts expanding on the sides, you start expanding in your personality, in your sensitivity, and in your evolutionary ascent. So that is how you start growing from one to another, to another, to another.
Jai Shri Mataji. We put our attention on left Swadhisthana. So you can put right hand on left side. left organ side, like kidney side. You can say Shri Mahakali Kal Bhairav mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Mahakali Kal Bhairav Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devye Namaha. Shri Mataji, by your grace and the pure knowledge, technique of the divine that, Shri Mataji, please clear my left Swadhisthana. Shri Mataji, please enlighten my left Swadhisthana. We put our attention on right Swadhisthana. Put here left hand towards spleen, liver, and right hand towards Shri Mataji. We take Brahmadev Saraswati mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Brahmadev Saraswati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devye Namaha. Shri Mataji, I do nothing. Verily, you are the doer and you are the enjoyer. Please clear my right Swadhisthana. Shri Mataji, please come in my right Swadhisthana. Shri Mataji, please enlighten my right Swadhisthana. We can say Shri Hazrat Ali Fatima Bi for right Swadhisthana. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Hazrat Ali Fatima Bi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devye Namaha. Now both hands towards Shri Mataji and we do center Swadhisthana. We say Shubham Dev Saraswati again here. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Brahmadev सरस्वती साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. We can also say Mahalakshmi Shri Ganesha mantra. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shrimataji, by your grace, please give me pure knowledge. Please clear my center Swadhisthana. Shrimataji, please come in our Swadhisthana and clear our Swadhisthana as a whole. Please give us all the creativity. Stay in meditative state and we listen to Shri Saraswati Namavali Stotram.
सरस्वती महाभद्रा महामाया वरप्रदा श्रीप्रदा पद्मनिलया पद्माक्षी पद्मवक्त्रका शिवानुजा पुस्तकभृत् ज्ञानमुद्रारमापरा कामरूपा महाविद्या महापातकनाशिनी महाश्रया मालिनी च महाभोगा महाभुजा महाभागा महोत्साहा दिव्यांगा सुरवन्दिता महाकाली महापाशा महाकारा महाङ्कुशा पीता च विमला विश्वा विद्युन्माला च वैष्णवी चन्द्रिका चन्द्रवदना चन्द्रलेखा विभूषिता सावित्री सुरसा देवी दिव्यालङ्कारभूषिता वाग्देवी वसुधा तीव्रा स्वाधिष्ठाननिवासिनी महाबला भोगदा भारती भामा गोविन्दा गोमती शिवा जटिला विन्ध्यवासा विन्ध्याचलविराजिता चण्डिका वीणावादिनी ब्राह्मी ब्रह्मज्ञानैकसाधना सौदामिनी सुधामूर्तिः सुभद्रासुरपूजिता सुवासिनी सुनासा च विनिद्रा पद्मलोचना विद्यारूपा विशालाक्षी ब्रह्मजाया महाफला त्रयीमूर्ति त्रिकालज्ञा त्रिगुणा शास्त्ररूपिणी शुम्भासुरप्रमथिनी च शुभदा च स्वरात्मिका रक्तबीजनिहन्त्री च चामुण्डा चाम्बिका तथा सर्व अज्ञाननाशिनी च धूम्रलोचनमर्दना सर्वदेवस्तुता सौम्या सुरासुरनमस्कृता कालरात्रि कलाधारा रूपसौभाग्यदायिनी शारदा च वरारोहा वाराही वारिजासना चित्राम्बरा चित्रगन्धा चित्रमाल्यविभूषिता कान्ता कामप्रदा वन्द्या विद्याधरसुपूजिता श्वेतासना नीलभुजा चतुर्वर्गफलप्रदा चतुराननसाम्राज्या रक्तमध्या निरञ्जना हंसासना नीलजङ्घा ब्रह्मा विष्णुशिवात्मिका एवं सरस्वती देव्या नाम्नामष्टोत्तरं शतम् साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
We have silent meditation for 2 minutes. Shri Mataji, we surrender today's meditation at your lotus feet. Thank you, Shrimataji, for giving this invaluable knowledge and beautiful state. Thank you, Shrimataji, for all your grace. Shrimataji, if we have done any mistakes, please forgive us. Jai Shri Mataji, let's do collective Bandhan. Jai Shri Mataji, we have this last video that Shri Mataji is spreading love to us, spreading the message of love. We'll listen this one if you have time.
My eyes as I raise my eyes, as I raise my eyes to the glorious heavens, the azure blue of the sky is tempered by a gentle breeze that flows across my skin. Comes from within. How can you know the meaning of your life until you're connected to the power that created you? By the grace of Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Shri Mataji, Nirmala Devi.
Just love for my children. And that is how I've worked, and it has worked out. You can see for yourself how you have learned to love each other. I wish all over the world people develop that love, that universal love for each other. All our problems will be finished. No wars, no ill feeling, nothing. Only there will be a beautiful wave of love among ourselves. All these things can happen, and we can reside in a very calm and collective way all the time. What is happening today is not of my liking, because to me they are all one. Or what is the need to have fights and to have differences? If they could just meditate, they will know that they are all one. There's no difference at all. My only wish is that all of you should get your realization and that you meditate. May God bless you. Thank you.
When it seems the whole world is turning without you, just have the faith in your heart and know that truth. truth will see you through with the peace and love of the gracious dove. How can you know the meaning of your life until you're connected to the power that created you by the grace of Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Shri Mataji, Nirmala Devi.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Shri Mataji. Thank you, Didi.